Happy Friday, Vlogtober day 3. You guys know I'm making my teas. I'm on the alkaline diet in combination with the Goddess Collection teas. As you guys can see. So that's what I'm making right now. I got my strainer here. And I didn't put it in 1 teaspoon of each in my little strainer. I'm placing it in my cup. I got my water heating up over here, which won't take long. Y'all, when I say these little jars be packed to the max, it still seems like I haven't taken anything out of these jars. I'm gonna show y'all. Look, it don't even look like I took anything out of here. It was so packed. This one too, because I'm currently doing blood purifier and the Yanni wipeout. Look at that. They're packed. These little jars be packed. And I got 2 jars of each tea. As y'all do know. There's the rest of them right there. Just gonna get my tea in. Gonna get my tea in for today. And I have to go to my client's office to pick up my check. And I think we're gonna go out to eat today, but y'all know I'm following a strict alkaline diet. Doesn't mean I can't go out to eat. Just gotta ask a lot of questions about how everything is prepared. So I got my water heating up here. These 2 particular teas cannot be steeped for more than 10 minutes. So they're on the list of the teas that cannot be steep for more than 10 minutes. What the hell is going on between the sheets and my baby? Wait, let me explain. Well, girl, I'm about to have a fit. Oh, it's about to be some. I do want to invest in more of her products. If I don't, you know, buckle down and learn the process for myself. Like, I do want to study herbalism and all of the things, just not to make a profit off of it, but for survival. Shein, I bought these from Shein, these little shades here. I bought them from Shein, right? They ended up sending me 2 pair. So I paid 1 total and got 2 of these accidentally. I guess one warehouse took too long to send a pair out, and so another warehouse went ahead and sent it out. And they both ended up coming around the same time. I got 1 pair one day, and the next day I got the other pair. So I was like, why do I have a package coming? Why does my email say I have a package coming? And y'all, ended up getting 2 exact pair of these. I love when that happens. I love when that happens. It's happened a few times, like with furniture too. Like one piece came in, it took forever to come in, and another warehouse shipped out the same thing. And I called them and said I had 2 of each, and they said to just keep it. So it's always a blessing. Girl, I got some corduroy pants on. Y'all don't come for me, because I wear stuff when I want to wear it. I don't care if it's 100 degrees outside. That is my business. Y'all, Louisiana roads, tragic. Don't come down up in here if you're visiting. Rent a car. Don't come down up in Louisiana with your brand new luxury vehicle. Just don't do it. Even on the way here, if you're driving to Louisiana, don't do it, because certain states coming up in here and trying to get to Louisiana, the roads are terrible. I think I'm gonna have to. Hi. Here. cookie spoon, and then there's my bowl. Got some jasmine tea. I asked for a pot of it, but I mean, 1 cup is fine. I had this cabbage. I don't have control over how much cabbage they put in. I can't tell them how much. I know, but I'm saying I want more cabbage, but can't tell them how much. Ooh. The cookies look so good. And then there's my bowl, guys. I got all veggies. All veggies. Sauce. Eat. Yeah, jasmine tea. Jasmine tea. It's pretty good. And then my boring bowl with cabbage as my base. Y'all, I want some angel noodles so bad. But this is gonna be good, I'm sure. You think so? Good. Y'all, look. I've been meaning to come to this place. Look what they got. They got fire cider. I don't have the ingredients. Oh yeah, they do. Look at this fire cider right here. They got these detoxes right here.
If I can't get, I don't think I have room for them. But
Stop! No.
they haven't come to me.
Oh, look at the little teacups. This is what I need right here. I need one of these.
What you getting?
I'm gonna call when I get in the truck.
Look at the little herbs. I need one of these. So, teapot with the infuser. I think I'm gonna get one. Then they have like prebiotics. Magnesium. They got all of these little vitamins and stuff. Ashwagandha right here. Let's see what else they got. And then I'm gonna get me a tea kettle. Oh, look at the soap. Deodorant. Oh, look, I can buy all my little stuff here. Oil of oregano. Elderberry. They got little stuff for kids, little kids drops. Look, kids. Look, cookie. Yeah. Oh, this is supposed to help with allergies. This one. But they do have a kind that it's mixed with, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but that's good to know that they here. Look at this sea moss. Oh, they got mushroom coffee. That's better than the regular coffee. You have some in your cabinet. Mushroom coffee. Oh, I have to try. They got a detox, a cold detox tea. I already gotta go to the bathroom. Detox.
Some people do, you can do 1 or you can do 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. It just depends on how much you're gonna take. Well, like if you wanna start slow, just start like 1
Yeah.
Which one tastes good? You got pineapple, green apple, ocean water, blue raspberry.
But I want to try it. Let's see, does it have sugar in it? Trying to see if it has sugar in it. Okay, if it's caffeine, I can't have it. This is mushroom coffee, y'all. It looks so good. They got, look at the sour salt. They got sour salt. Shake well. 2 tablespoons daily with food. I got it. You ain't got to hold it up. Sea moss gel. Lemonade. They got these different cleansers here. Turmeric tonic. Get out, Cookie. I really want to try that. I don't know.
I told her for information.
Yeah, and it's a natural pain reliever. Ooh, your stomach gonna be hurting. No, I'm just kidding. It made me go to the bathroom. I think I'm gonna try this. Does it have sugar? Sugar. It got 2 grams of sugar in it. So, this is supposed to lower blood sugar levels, thyroid function. Yeah, all of that. But I don't see the ingredients on here. Like, what all is in it? I think I'm gonna try one of these. Huh? Okay. Wait a minute. They got some salves here. Dandelion. Wormwood. All of this. This is supposed to be good to get rid of parasites. Milk thistle. Kid zinc. I don't know. I've been looking for me a natural deodorant, but I don't even know which one to use. Let's see, what is this? Toothpaste? Damn, toothpaste. This one's closed. There's only one left for this. Immune support. This one has alcohol in it. This is supposed to be good for a lot of things as well. A natural antibiotic. We got these too. And then all of these. This is wormwood. Oh, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. I know. This is wormwood right here. You got parasites or worms, you take this. This along with black walnut oil. Both of those. And this stuff's strong. Yeah. Yeah. Pumpkins, they do the same thing. Parasite killers. Yeah. But it has to be raw, though. And that's why I eat a handful of pumpkin seeds every day now. But it can't be the roasted kind. If you ever hear your doctor say you can't take natural stuff with the medication that you already have, it's because the root of their medications is actually this stuff. Some of it is in there. Yeah, skull cap. I don't know. It's ashwagandha. This is what I take when I'm stressed. It makes you sleep. This paired with magnesium glycinate, good combination. Yeah. That's what I take if I really want to like knock out ashwagandha and magnesium together. This was good, y'all. I'll drink. We got the strawberry watermelon. And then we got this type of toothpaste right here. We got this right here. Okay, we at Lowe's. About to make some content in Lowe's. I don't know if I even told y'all that I'm a Lowespartner now. I don't even think I announced that. But y'all know they got the Halloween and the Christmas stuff out, particularly the Christmas stuff. If y'all want to find my Lowe's storefront, y'all can find that in the description in the comments of this video. Check it out. If you ain't gonna get Halloween stuff, you need to get your Christmas stuff. Just go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and show y'all some of the Christmas stuff that they have out already. Yeah.
Come on.
Cute. It's one black stone here. $5.49. Oh. Is it moving? Yeah. Nice there. And then here's another black stone. Woo! Picture it. Picture it. Watermelon for dinner. Y'all know what time it is. Making my tea. Right now, we still doing blood purifier and the Yanni wipeout. I got it going right here. Y'all, please stay at home if y'all detoxing. But it is common sense, I think, in the detox world. Be near a bathroom. So, no, some people don't like to use public restrooms. For me, I don't care. I don't care. Line that seat up and do what you gotta do. But yeah, this detox 101. Stay near a restroom. Yeah. But I just thought I would share that with y'all today. Good night.